Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into United Airlines Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in flyingtogether.ual.com. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here, enter your UID or username associated with your account and a valid password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Password Help link. And after entering your details, click on Login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into United Airlines Employee Portal. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.